Unlocking the Past, the Power of a Chapter of History. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that's packed with meaning and history, a chapter of history. This expression is not just about pages in a book. It's a gateway to understanding events, eras, and transformations in our world. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the depths of history through language. A chapter of history might seem straightforward at first glance, but it's rich with significance. A chapter typically refers to a division or segment within a larger context, often found in books. When we apply this to history, it denotes a specific period or event that stands out in the narrative of time. This phrase encapsulates moments that have shaped civilizations, cultures, and the course of humanity itself. Understanding a chapter of history allows us to grasp the significance of major events and their impact on the present and future. It's not just about learning dates and facts. It's about connecting with the stories, struggles, and triumphs of those who came before us. These chapters remind us of our shared humanity and the lessons we can carry forward. To bring this phrase to life, consider the following examples. The Renaissance, often described as a chapter of history that marked a rebirth of art, culture, and intellect in Europe. The American Revolution, a pivotal chapter that led to the birth of a new nation and ideas about democracy and freedom. The Digital Revolution, a current and ongoing chapter that is reshaping how we live, communicate, and understand the world. In conversations, writing, or analysis, you can use a chapter of history to refer to significant events or periods. It's a powerful way to add depth to your discussions about history, society, or even personal stories. For instance, the fall of the Berlin Wall was not just an event, it was a significant chapter of history, symbolizing the end of the Cold War and the beginning of a new era. We hope this exploration of a chapter of history enriches your understanding of the English language and the profound stories it can tell. History is not just a collection of dates and events. It's the narrative of our shared experience, with each chapter offering lessons, insights, and inspiration. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together in future videos. Stay curious, and keep learning.